Here's a 70s classic we don't see come through, unique, especially in classics very often. It's a 1976 Mercury Monarch. Rebuilt 302 V8 underneath the hood. Less than 100 miles on that engine. 4-barrel Edelbrock carb on it. HEI ignition, jet hot headers. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the chrome up front and the grille. Now, if you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, you'll be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. You can check it all out. You can also call us 507-386-1726. Take a look at the two-tone wheels. Black with the gold highlights. Beauty rings. Now, as far as the paint, there's some spots where the paint does show its age. Some you can see right here, a little bit of checking on this passenger front fender. Does it have a nice shine to it? Yeah, you can see that on the hood. Nice reflection in it, but it's black. It's not perfect. Still look good. Fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Absolutely. Black on black interior. Center console, top loader, 4-speed, paired up with that 302, so kind of a sleeper. You don't look at these mid-70s Monarchs and think of a rumbler. Underneath the hood, good looking two-tone combination with that partial vinyl roof in the back. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let you take a good look at the chrome in the rear. As we take a peek down the driver's side, I did want to point out there's a few spots. You can kind of see it's got some dimples along the driver's door. I don't know if I can really get it to show up because that black is pretty shiny in spots, as you can see. There you kind of get an idea of one there, but there's a few along there. Like I said, fun car, get in, turn the key, go have some fun with this one. Let's take a little closer look at the interior. Door panels look good. Black bucket seats. Free of rips, tears, holes. Seat belts intact. Kind of a retro sound style radio. I have had that working. Miles read 56,537 according to previous owners, believed to be original miles on this car. Listen to that. Do have a couple aftermarket gauges down here. Oil pressure, see that one up, that's good. Water temp, that was a cold start, I wouldn't expect that to be up. Fuel gauge appears to also be working. Dash looks good. Love how this sounds. Listen to that. I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood open. Let's check out that engine bay. And remember, stick around to the very end of the video. Remember to do that. You'll be able to see what it's like going down this car. Going down the road in this car. We're going to put a camera in there, take for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. So stick around to the very end, but first let's check out this engine bay. Give you a peek at the underside of the hood there. There it is, good looking engine bay. See those headers down there, MSD ignition, mentioned that. Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. There's a battery disconnect from some storage room between drives. Very smooth running engine. And good looking engine bay. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. Like I said, stick around. We're going to still take this for a drive. Let you see what it's like going down the road. 1976 Mercury Monarch, that 302 underneath the hood, less than 100 miles on it. Rebuild, that's paired up with that 4-speed. Manual transmission, call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We'll course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1976 Mercury Monarch. This Monarch has the most rumble I think I've heard from a car of its type. Sounds pretty good. This is a 4-speed right on the center console. We have gauges under the dash for water temperature that is showing 150, and oil pressure is showing about 55 psi. Fuel gauge is working, showing 3/4 of a tank. We have a retro sound style radio in the dash that does play music. It's even emblazoned with Mercury, the name of the make of the car. Kind of cool. Nice interior, black bucket seats, wood grain in the dash, nice headliner. The steering wheel is cocked a little to the left. That doesn't affect how it performs at all. Horn working. Our brakes also working well. I've seen a few Granadas, a few Monarchs, not too many. They're hard to come by, and in this condition they're very uncommon. Very different, cool car. And with a 4-speed to boot, you can't beat that. The windshield wipers are working on this car as well. Nice highway ride. Smooth running car. You can check out all the pictures from under the hood to underneath the car in every little area of the car. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.